Huawei has finally announced its highly anticipated phone, the Huawei Mate XT, which represents a significant achievement in foldable device technology. This phone is the first smart device in the world to fold 3 times, marking a powerful blow from Huawei to Apple and also to the United States. The phone has already been pre-ordered by over 4 million people in China, which is an impressive number. For more details about this new device, check out the latest video. Before we start, don't forget to give the video a like to support and share this useful content. Now, let's begin. What sets this phone apart is its unique design, as it folds 3 times, a feat no other company has accomplished yet. Huawei Mate XT features a much larger internal screen compared to its competitors. When unfolded, it boasts a 10.2-inch 3K display, effectively transforming into a full-size tablet. You can also attach a keyboard, making it usable as a tablet. This 3-fold phone is slim, lightweight and thin like other foldable phones on the market, but it folds in a Z shape rather than a V shape. One side folds backward while the other folds forward, which might take some time to get used to. The notable aspect is that the Huawei Mate XT maintains a slim profile when folded, with a thickness of just 12.8mm compared to the Samsung Z Fold 6's 12.1mm. Even though the Huawei folds 3 times, the thickness difference between the two phones is relatively small. When fully unfolded, the phone has a thickness of 3.6mm and weighs 298 grams, which is somewhat heavy but expected for a device with this design. The phone also features a screen that adapts to your needs. When closed, it measures 6.4 inches with FHD resolution. When partially opened, it provides a slightly larger screen of 7.9 inches with 2K resolution, which is perfect for watching videos. When fully open, you get a large 10.2-inch screen with 3K resolution, nearly the size of a tablet, offering an excellent viewing experience. Huawei also claims a 25% increase in bend resistance compared to other foldable phones. Regarding the battery, it is quite large at 5600 Milliampere, which is impressive for a thin 3 foldable phone. The device also supports 66-watt fast charging. For the camera, the phone comes with a main 50 megapixel camera with an adjustable aperture from f1.4 to f4, along with a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, another 12 megapixel telephoto camera, and an 8 megapixel selfie camera. The camera performance is expected to be excellent. The phone also includes the voice assistant known as Siri and supports AI features like voice-to-text conversion, automatic screen splitting, real-time document translation and photo editing. It runs on Harmony OS 4.2. Regarding performance, specific details about the processor are not provided, but it is expected to feature the Kirin 9010 5th generation chip, the same processor found in the P40 Pro phone. The Kirin 9010 has 2 cores running at 2.30 GHz, 6 cores at 2.18 GHz, and 4 Cortex-A55 cores at 1.55 GHz, with a 7nm manufacturing process. While this processor isn't the most powerful, it should offer a smooth and fast user experience, especially with the Harmony OS. The phone's price starts at around $2,200, which is quite high. However, with 4 million pre-orders so far, the phone is likely to achieve significant success. Huawei continues to surprise. Even after the challenges it has faced from the US, where it managed to develop the Harmony OS and use new processors supporting 5th generation. Now, it has delivered another strong blow after Apple announced the iPhone 16 series. What do you think of this phone and its price? Share your thoughts in the comments. Take care.